Hello YouTube, this is William, and I need help today with this fucking iPhone that just won't turn on no matter what I press. It makes a sound when I connect it to iTunes and everything, but it just won't show nothing. If you can, please help me, please. I'm stuck without an iPhone. Look, you see that? I'm pressing it. It doesn't work. And I already tried pressing the down and the menu button does not work. Try holding it for 20 seconds. Try putting in DUF mode, whatever you call that. It doesn't work. Yeah, that's the other iPhone I have there. It doesn't work neither. So if anything, please send, comment on how can I fix this or anything. Please. Thank you.